here, or just in general, when users are spending their points, they can actually be donating to the charities that mean the most to them. So how does that process actually work? So if we go into our admin section here, and we go to rewards and we go to charitable donations, this is actually where we're doing the administrative work in order to manage what charities are accessible to our employees. So we see here, these are the various charities that we offer, that we partner with on the assembly side, and you can go in and turn those on and off as you see fit for your organization. So you have total control over what charities are accessible to your people and what denominations they can be sharing. So we can control the ability to donate in increments of $5 through $100. Generally speaking, we want to give our people as much power as possible. So on our side, and perhaps on yours, we can just give them all cards. So hitting that turn all cards on button allows your people to donate to any charity. However, there's another world where perhaps we don't offer the charity via partnership that you might have in mind, right? So perhaps towards the end of the year, especially, you're looking to partner with a local charity or promote a local charity or people, rally your culture by all donating to a single cause. If we go here, we can actually use culture rewards to kind of get around that. So culture rewards are the rewards that your organization can fulfill. So users redeeming those rewards will ping your administrative team in order to go and to redeem that reward on their behalf. So we can actually just go in here and create a culture reward, or we'll actually edit this one. And we can add an image here or edit the image here. And we'll name this donation to local charity. We can call that $5. And then we'll price that at 50 points. We'll make this an unlimited reward so users can redeem it as often as they want. Now we can edit that reward. Boom. And if we turn it on and go back to our rewards library, we'll actually see in the culture reward section the ability to go ahead and redeem that reward.